somewhere, and that's where, you know, all the hate and all the bad mind, it wakes up. It's like, hello, hello. There was a big festival called Sidewinder. It's a lot of like grime music and all this different sort of music. I'm the only dancehall artist there representing. When I jump out on stage, I give them the real dancehall experience. Yeah? And wind up and give them, pull up that, dash of that. DJ, no, give them the real style, you know?
English lives for dancehall, his heroes Bounty and Beanie, and not the stereotypical picture of a DJ, being red-haired and blue-eyed, making the M.R package somewhat unusual.
The name's just my initials.
Really?
Yeah.
What's your real name?
My name's Moses.
With a UK following, but eager for acceptance and approval at the source, and for different reasons getting flack online. So, what's the deal? Why so caught up with yard talk and music?
Just the love. I couldn't even tell you why. Just from a young age, Jamaica's just been like, not just the music, like everything about Jamaica's just been my love. That's one question that I could never answer, like why.
But it must be a case where you heard the music or you met the people.
100%, yeah. I mean, we grew up around that. My family married into a Caribbean family when I was really young. So we was around it. But even just, you know, by the time you reach a certain age, you know what you like, and it doesn't matter the influence that what you've had. You do what you want to do and you be who you want to be. And even like you say, okay, yeah, it was the music that drew me in, but it wasn't just that. It was the accent, it was the vibes, it was the tropicalness, the food, women, everything.
Came from a council estate on the Isle of Sheppey, a little island off the English coast, but grew up in working class Lewisham, South London, not far from Brixton.
I do remember the first time that I come to Jamaica, and I knew straight away, this is a place where I'm going to spend a lot of time, if not probably live. Fully active, my father, hear that.
Were you consciously imitating the accent, the patois? Were you deliberately trying to mimic it?
I wouldn't say mimic it. I'd say trying to be a dancehall artist. Like the accent is like, I think it's probably one of the coolest accents in the world. So like, who don't want it? Like, you know, when you listen to the music, like, I don't listen to UK music, some of it, but I don't enjoy it as much as I enjoy dancehall music. And the reason I enjoy dancehall music is because of the patois and the way it sounds. So I wanted to sound like that. So you could say mimic it in a way you could.
And that surprises people when you open your mouth and deliver like a Jamaican line. I mean, if they didn't see you and see your blue eyes and white skin,
right,
they could think, well, this guy could be a black, you know, diaspora Jamaican in the UK.
Yeah, if I remember, say, from time you listen to dancehall music, you can catch every slang quick and fast. And then from time the whole of your bridge in them are UK or Jamaican. As time goes by, I will just catch it more. Every time I'm in Jamaica, sometimes I'm spending 2 months in Jamaica. I don't want people to get misunderstood of what it is. You know, this is a love for the culture. It isn't me trying to talk Jamaican to get views on TikTok, because that's what a lot of this is. This isn't content creating. You know, this is a genuine love for the music, the country, and just being a dancehall artist.
People will give you a hard time because they'll look at you and say, well, especially right now, we live in a very woke era. Nobody likes to be politically incorrect. People talk about cultural appropriation.
Yeah.
So they're going to look at you and say, well, you know, this guy is just jumping on a dancehall bandwagon, co-opting it for his own purposes.
Yeah.
Are we really going to take this guy seriously?
There's a lot of that. And I don't understand that, because I've done this for years. You think I just bust? No. Yo, the first time I ever come to Jamaica, I didn't eat properly for a month because I couldn't afford the ticket to come in. I grew up poor, very, very poor in the UK. We had nothing. My mum was on drugs. My older brother was on drugs. My dad left. I was 10 years old, my dad left. My older brother was on heroin. My younger brother stabbed me in the arm. I feel like I have to always back up myself and say, oh, yeah, well, do you know what I mean? And this is where I'm at now. It's like I feel like I get attacked a lot.
Unfairly, he feels, having earned his stripes, especially appealing to tough audiences on frequent visits to Jamaica.
Do you want me to tell you why I don't understand it? Because you can't do what I do. This is not a joke country where you can come and play games. You can't do that. You might be able to play games from over there. Yeah, I might be able to play games and be stupid over UK and be stupid over in America or Switzerland, but you can't come over here and be stupid. You can't do that. I don't care what colour skin you are. You will buck up in a trouble.
Does it shake you sometimes when you're in the homeland of reggae dancehall and I have to deliver and convince these people that I do have the goods?
No, never.
Turn Red, his turning point. It's his UK hit.
I'd like to tell you what it done, but the last time I tell you what it done, it got taken out of context. But I'm just going to tell you, it was #1 in the iTunes and reggae charts on Christmas Day.
Yeah, I think it bumped Bob Marley from the top spot.
He went straight back to #1
He went
afterwards.
straight back to #1 after.
Every single weekend I do shows. Since this year, this is the only week I had off.
What's your market in the UK? Who listens to M.R?
Everyone.
Who comes out to your gigs?
It's a mix, but it depends on what area. It's really nice, to be honest, because like, woolly for white people. I don't think people even realising that dancehall has spread. It's just being spread. I'm not trying to take it, I'm trying to spread it.
Were you ever inclined to come to Jamaica to live for a while?
100%, yeah. When I get enough money,
When you get enough money, you would
so I
move
can
to
buy
Jamaica.
my piece of land and get a house.
But didn't you say in an interview that you wouldn't move to Jamaica because it's a third world country?
Nah, I think that was just taken out of context. It's like everything that I say is always from a good place and my heart. And I'm just that, like, if anyone knows me, they know like M.Dot's a good youth. Maybe I said something that maybe got taken out of context. I don't know, but I'd love to live in Jamaica. 1,000,000%. I don't like cold. I like the sunshine. I even want to worry about the controversy too much because I get so much love in Jamaica. So much. Everywhere I pull up, everyone knows me and I get so much love. And it's the same thing all over the world.
M.R just shot a music video here. Also some collabs with Jamaicans in the works.
It's just love and respect, Jamaica, honestly, man. Just take your time and just don't jump on a post on Instagram or TikTok and see that's what's going on. Take your time out to actually check out the artist, check what he does, what he's about, and you're probably going to find out it's different to what you think.
Everything mad, everything shell, everything burn up. I drop a new freestyle, watch the thing turn up. Any violation, you're the team on up. Look, maddest life, man, I lie.